What if someone broke into your car and you could watch it happen in real time, from your phone, no matter where you are? That's the power of a live streaming dash cam. In this video, I'm breaking down the 9 best dash cams for live streaming, covering resolution, connectivity, GPS, and real-world value, so you can pick the right one without the guesswork. Let's get into it. Kicking off our list with the Volam 4 GLTE Cellular Dash Cam, a strong choice for anyone who needs fleet-style monitoring without a big price tag. It records in 2K resolution and connects via 4G LTE, letting you watch your vehicle live from your smartphone anywhere, anytime. The GPS tracking and instant alert notifications make it feel like a full security system on wheels. What really stands out is the cloud video management and parking surveillance mode. Great for rideshare drivers or business owners who can't always keep an eye on their vehicles. Setup is straightforward through the mobile app, and loop recording keeps storage clean automatically. A solid all-around pick for remote vehicle monitoring. Next up, the Engifiosi 4 GLTE Dash Cam, and this one is built with security-obsessed drivers in mind. It features dual 2K cameras, so you're getting coverage from both the front and inside the cabin at the same time. The anti-vandal parking protection is a big deal here. It detects motion and starts recording even when the car is parked and off. You also get real-time live streaming, remote playback, and GPS tracking all bundled in. The cloud-connected monitoring system means footage is backed up off-device, which is important if someone tampers with the camera itself. If you park in sketchy areas or leave your car unattended for long stretches, this one deserves a serious look. Coming in at number 3, the Lamto 4 GLTE Dash Cam is a dependable daily driver option with real-time GPS tracking and solid LTE connectivity. It records in 2K and streams live footage directly to your phone through its companion app. No extra hardware needed. Cloud storage support means you don't have to worry about running out of SD card space mid-trip. The parking mode and instant mobile notifications make it especially useful for delivery drivers who leave their vehicles running in busy areas. It's not the flashiest cam on this list, but it does everything it promises without overcomplicating things. A great pick for commuters and gig workers who want reliable vehicle surveillance. Number 4. Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. Now here's the wild card. The Rove R2 4K Dash Cam doesn't have native LTE, but it makes up for it with absolutely stunning 4K UHD video quality. It uses a Sony Starvis sensor for incredible low light and nighttime performance. We're talking license plate clear footage even in the dark. The dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi allows fast wireless file transfers straight to your phone. If live streaming over cellular isn't your top priority and you'd rather have the sharpest possible video quality, this is your camera. It's also packed with built-in GPS and supports up to 1 TB of storage. For drivers who want premium footage first and connectivity second, the Rove R2 is hard to beat. Halfway through our list, the Global View 4 GLTE Dash Cam brings a built-in fleet management platform that separates it from most consumer dash cams. It shoots in dual 1080 pixels, front and inside, and streams live to the cloud with GPS tracking running in the background. This one is clearly designed with commercial fleets and delivery services in mind. The remote video playback feature is especially useful for fleet managers who need to review footage without physically accessing the vehicle. Yes, the resolution is 1080 pixels instead of 2K, but the trade-off is a more polished business-ready platform. If you're managing multiple vehicles or running a small delivery operation, this should be at the top of your shortlist. Number 6. Focusway 4 GLTE Dash Cam. The Focusway 4 GLTE Dash Cam earns its spot on this list thanks to one killer feature: instant app alerts. The moment something moves near your car, you get a notification on your phone with live footage. It records in 2K, streams over 4G LTE, and backs everything up to the cloud for safekeeping. The anti-theft parking surveillance is tight and reliable, and the GPS tracking gives you an exact location at all times. It's a well-rounded camera without any obvious weak spots, and the app experience feels polished compared to some of the cheaper options out there. Great for anyone who wants quick, real-time alerts and doesn't want to dig through settings. Next is the Volam 4G LTE-Cam, a no-nonsense anti-theft surveillance cam that does exactly what it says. It streams in 2K via 4G LTE, supports cloud storage, and includes GPS tracking for full location awareness. The remote live view feature lets you check in on your vehicle from anywhere without opening a laptop. The parking protection mode is solid, and it works well during long parking sessions where theft risk is highest. It's a leaner feature set than some others on this list, but everything it offers works reliably. If you want a focused, dependable security cam without extra fluff, Volam delivers. Number 8. iWay 4 GLTE Dashcam. The iWay 4 GLTE Dashcam is built around one core promise: live remote viewing that actually works. It connects over 4G LTE and Wi-Fi, streams in 2K, and pairs with a clean mobile app that makes remote access quick and easy. Instant smartphone alerts keep you in the loop the second anything suspicious happens. The smart anti-theft monitoring and parking protection run quietly in the background without draining your battery fast. GPS tracking rounds out the package nicely. This is a strong pick for people who want a connected car setup that feels intuitive and reliable day after day. Number 9. Zega 2K 4G LTE Dual Dash Cam. Rounding out our list, the Zega 2K 4G LTE Dual Dash Cam is purpose-built for rideshare drivers. It records in dual 2K, front road and rear cabin, so both driver and passenger interactions are always on camera. Real-time LTE live viewing, GPS tracking, and anti-theft protection are all standard here. The cloud-connected access means footage is always retrievable, even if the camera gets damaged or stolen. For Uber and Lyft drivers who need both road and interior documentation, this dual-angle setup is exactly what you need. It's the most rideshare-ready cam on this entire list. So there you have it, the 9 best dash cams for live streaming in 2026. If I had to highlight 2 standouts, the Volam 4 GLTE is my top pick for all-around value, and the Zega Dual Cam is the one for rideshare drivers specifically. Links in the description. Which one caught your eye? Drop a comment below. I read everyone. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.